you have a hole in his top lip?
No. There we go. Atta boy. You got him back. First. Uno. Something hard just hit it. There we go. Nope, 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 nope. Not on the boat. Not on the boat. Nope, 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 nope. No. He's not hooked. He's not hooked. Ah.
Okay, that was
there we go.
look at the water.
Dude, this dude was barely hooked. It's not a bad one.
What are you doing, John?
Yeah. Not a bad one. There we go.
Damn, Rob.
Wait a minute. No, he's not. Wait a minute.
Oh my god. Oh shit. John's got a 3. Rob, you want that?
Yeah, can I get that?
Boys?
Good fish, John. Look at this.
Oh yeah. That's a 3.
There's a good fish. Probably just over 3 pounds.
Look, we made such a... Bro, you guys yours double up on 3.
Yeah, dude. My gosh. Fish. Good fight, little guy. Back-to-back casts. Let's go.
Yeah,
All right, let's back-to-back casts. Let's see if we can go back-to-back-to-back.
Look my fucking thing. What the hell, Robert?
Oh my, back-to-back-to-back, baby.
You got the pattern down. What?
Another good fish.
No way to black and blue.
On the Senko.
What color Senko is that?
What is this, pumpkin?
Green pumpkin, yeah. Have you caught them all on the same one?
Yeah. Well, rest in peace that Senko, but this is a nice fish. Back-to-back-to-back casts.
Oh yeah, that's it. Oh. Bro, what?
4 in a row, baby. Let's go.
4 casts in a row?
4 casts, 4 fish.
Let's launch. Oh. Dude. You're joking.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Get close. Oh, yeah. Here we go. 4 casts.
Look, they're hitting top water everywhere.
4 fish. Oh my gosh. Nice fish right here. On the wacky rig. What is this? Green pumpkin.
Another one right now.
That's 4 in a row, babe. Sucks ass. That was insane.
Hard hooks up for me. Hard hooks up. This is a nice fish.
That's what,
He's gonna pitch it.
3.5?
3.
God, dude, that was so nice. John, I feel like you don't get the satisfaction that I do of catching a fish. Because your rod is so stiff.
This rod's still flexible. That rod's ridiculous. I think we're in a good area. Should we just chill right here for a second?
Yeah, dude, right here is fine. Dude, you just let it sit and then you set the hook and there's a fish there. It's like the easiest thing of all time.
Bro, that's
Watch, John, watch this. Ready? Watch this. Set the hook.